How to hide name on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can hide your name on Snapchat. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on your Snapchat application. And then once you are inside Snapchat application, go ahead to your profile section. And from the up page screen, what you're gonna do is click on that gear icon. Once you do that, you'll be appear with several options. Simply tap on name. So there is no any options to hide your name on Snapchat. You have to remove your name in order to hide your name. So what you're gonna do is simply tap on name, and then you can see the option remove name. Simply tap on it. Once you do that, your name will be hide, or your name won't be shown on your Snapchat in the name list. So this is how easily you can hide your name on Snapchat. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.